Avocado is a trendy fruit often seen smashed on toast, but have you tried adding seafood to the mix? It's just as tasty with the added bonus of even better health benefits. Some of these benefits include omega-3 fat for a healthy heart, iron for an optimal immune function and for providing oxygen to the cells throughout your body, protein to maintain your muscles, zinc for optimal immune function, vitamin D which allows calcium to be absorbed properly in your body, and iodine and selenium to allow your thyroid to produce hormones for a healthy metabolism. If you need any inspiration, try some of these recipes: tuna, black bean and avocado tostadas, tuna guacamole stacks, smoked salmon breakfast burritos, and tuna and avocado with seafood sauce. Be sure to post your new creations on Instagram to inspire and impress your friends.